things a little different this time, but we'll have fun. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, we're not, there's gonna be no kayaking in this video. We decided we were gonna take a little hiking trip. We are out here in Bankhead Forest. Going down a path out here. We're gonna try to hop on some trails, hike a few miles. We heard that they're kind of a little area we're wanting to go to. It's got a bunch of waterfalls and stuff like that. So
got a few new things we're gonna try out. Little pieces of gear.
yep.
See how they hold up, how they do, how we like them. Have a little fun coming up. All in roll tide.
Making it back there, PB.
Go.
It's really pretty out here. So this is Bankhead Forest. I don't know if we said that earlier. Is there a name for this trail, Brent?
Man, I don't know how to say it.
Okay.
We'll have to tag it in the description down below.
Yeah. Well, we ain't gonna tag it. We'll just write it down. Oh, watch that. We're almost there too. Now that's a little tender. Oh yeah, I hear it.
We ain't talking about the date map.
We ain't talking about what?
We ain't talking about the date map.
Oh, you ain't gonna find no tender apps out here.
You trying to start a fire, or you trying to start that kind of fire?
Oh, well, you can hear it now.
Oh yeah.
There it is, I see it. Oh yeah.
Wait, this ain't it. Maybe this is the first one.
I think this is probably the first one. Dude, that's pretty. We come up on one just a few seconds ago and we thought it was it, but this is the one. You hear that thing roaring, boy. Dude. Oh my gosh, man. Once we got to camp, of course, the main focus was fire. We ended up picking up a ribeye and 6 Italian sausage. Man, they were so good. You can tell by the footage here that they are looking right. They were so good over that campfire.
Got J Jelly.
Got PB.
You told me?
Freezing to death. It's cold out here.
Hey, well, guys, tell you what, this wasn't a bad view to wake up to. Got our hammocks over here. Got a little jelly.
Nice spot right
a little
here.
fire.
You ready for some breakfast?
Are you hungry? Hey, I got us a little something. What we got here? Peanut butter jelly time. We out here. January 3rd, 2021. We made it, guys. We made it.
Hey, it's 2020.
Here we are.
Right over there.
Right over there, where we slept, hammock, chairs, no fire.
Alright guys, we've got a new piece of gear we're going to try out today. The Grayl Water Filter. Pretty much a water press. You fill the water up to this line. You stick the press down in there. Get to the bottom. Ready to drink. Filtered out. This is going to be a great addition to the old gear closet. Let's try it out. Line. We're gonna go over here and press. What I like about it, you don't have the trickling that most water filters have, where you have to take so long. It took me what, 20 seconds, and I can just drink.
You already got your container, you ain't got to pour it into something else. Bada bing, bada boom.
This is my bag. There you go. Alright guys, something else I wanted to talk about today is a new piece of gear that I'm extremely proud of. Just got it a couple months ago. It's my brand new tractor knife. You can tell I've already used it quite a bit, but this was handmade by my brother-in-law, Frank the Tank Hill. You see his symbol right there. But this is a very useful knife outdoors. It's got some good weight to it. You can use it as a hatchet. You got your good knife blade. You can use it as a baton. I've cut down little small trees with this. Done a lot of things. We got some footage of it down there by the waterfall. Really nice. I'm loving it. Fits perfect into the arsenal. Thanks, Frank. Out of here and back to the truck. Ready to get a little warm, to be honest with you.
That's the people come up on us. Yeah, we're ready to get warm, get some coffee. It's chilly out here, ain't it? It's crazy the difference in the temperature, like right here where this waterfall is at. This is on the other side. That's where we camped at right here. And just the temperature difference in this little area versus like up there on that hill. You obviously see the sun, but whew.
Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know we had a good time. Brent was really excited to get out there one more time before his surgery. If you did like the video, please be sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you want to stick around for a while. There's 2 other videos here if you want to check those out. One of those will be our last trip to Paint Rock River and then the Elk River. We started in Tennessee and kayak back to Alabama. If you are on Instagram, check us out at Kamp PB and J. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.